Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Zelle to Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Check your payment methods and Apple Cash balance. Important, Apple Pay is not a bank, which means you cannot store a balance directly in Apple Pay. Zelle works through US-based banks, so direct transfers from Zelle to Apple Pay are not possible. Here's the workaround. Send money from Zelle to your linked bank account. Then, use that bank account to add money to your Apple Cash balance. Other than this method, there's no way to transfer directly from Zelle to Apple Pay. And that's it. That's how to send money from Zelle to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.